Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We are so happy you are here with us today for a new adventure. I am Anna.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I am Tom. I am very happy today. I am very happy because the weather is beautiful and the sun is warm.
Yes, Tom, it is a perfect day. I feel very positive and full of energy. How are you feeling today, our dear friends? I hope you are having a wonderful day.
Today is a special day because we are going to a very interesting place. We are going to a museum. I love museums because they are quiet and beautiful.
I love museums too, Tom. Learning English at a museum is very fun. You can see many things and talk about them with simple words.
Before we start, I want to say thank you to all our friends. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel.
Yes, please subscribe, and please give us a like. Your likes help us a lot. We love reading your comments too. You are part of our family.
Okay, Anna, I am ready. Look at this building. It is very big and very old. It has many tall columns. It looks like a palace.
It is beautiful. Let's walk to the door. We need to buy our tickets first. The tickets are $10. That is a good price for a museum.
I have my ticket now. I am excited. What do you want to see first, Anna? There are many rooms in this museum.
Let's go to the room with the paintings. I love paintings. A painting is a picture that an artist makes with a brush and colors.
Look at this painting. It is very big. It is a painting of a forest. I see many green trees and a small blue river.
The colors are very bright. I like the yellow sun in the corner. It makes me feel happy. This artist is very good with light.
I prefer this other painting. It is small. It is a portrait. A portrait is a painting of a person. It is a woman with a red dress.
She looks very serious. She is not smiling. Why is she not smiling, Tom? Do you think she is sad or just thinking?
I think she is just thinking. Many old paintings have people with serious faces. It was the style in the past.
That is true. Oh, look at these colors. Red, blue, purple, and orange. This painting is abstract. It does not have people or trees. It only has shapes.
Abstract art is interesting. I see a big circle and many lines. It is like a puzzle for the eyes. I like it a lot.
I like it too. Now let's walk to the next room. This room is very large and the floor is made of white stone.
Wow, look at all these statues. A statue is a person or an animal made of stone or metal. These are made of white marble.
This statue is very tall. It is a man. He is standing very straight. The artist used a hammer and a tool to make the stone look like skin.
It is incredible. The stone looks soft, but it is very hard. I want to touch it, but I know I cannot touch the art.
No, Tom, we must not touch. There is a sign that says, "Please do not touch." We must be very careful with the art.
You are right, Anna. We must respect the museum. Look at that statue of a lion. It looks very strong and very real.
It is a beautiful lion. I like statues because you can walk around them. You can see the front, the back, and the sides.
Paintings are flat, but statues are 3D. That is the big difference. I feel very calm in this room with the white statues.
Me too. It is very peaceful. Now, let's go to the room of ancient things. These things are very, very old.
Look at these pots and vases. They are thousands of years old. People used these to drink water or eat food a long time ago.
And look at this gold jewelry. There are rings and necklaces. They are very shiny. The gold is still yellow after many years.
It is amazing. I wonder who wore this ring. Was it a king or a queen? It is like a time machine.
I love that idea. A museum is like a time machine. You can see how people lived in the past. It is very special.
We are walking a lot. My legs are a little tired. Is there a place to sit for a minute, Anna?
Yes, look. There is a long wooden bench in the middle of the room. We can sit here and look at the art.
That is a good idea. Let's sit. It is very quiet here. People are talking in very low voices. Whispering is better in a museum.
Yes, we must be quiet. We should not run and we should not shout. A museum is a place for quiet thoughts.
I see a person taking a photo, but look, there is no flash. The bright light of a camera can hurt the old paintings.
That is an important rule. No flash. We want the paintings to stay beautiful for many more years.
I am feeling better now. My legs are not tired. I am ready to see the last part of the museum.
Let's go to the gift shop. I love the gift shop. You can buy many things there.
I want to buy a postcard. I can send a postcard of a painting to my mother. She loves art.
That is a very kind idea. I want to buy a small book about the statues and maybe a magnet for my refrigerator.
Magnets are great souvenirs. A souvenir is a small thing you buy to remember a place.
Look at these pencils and notebooks. They have pictures of the paintings on them. They are very pretty.
I am hungry now, Anna. Is there a cafe in the museum? I would like a cup of tea and a cookie.
Yes, the cafe is near the exit. Let's go there. We can talk about our favorite things from today.
My favorite thing was the big painting of the forest. The green color was very beautiful.
My favorite thing was the white statue of the lion. It was very strong. I feel very happy after this visit.
I feel happy too. Learning English at the museum was a great idea. We used many words like painting, statue, artist, and museum.
And we practiced rules like be quiet and do not touch. You did a great job today, Tom.
Thank you, Anna, and thank you to all our friends for joining us. We hope you enjoyed our visit to the museum.
Please tell us in the comments, do you like museums? What is your favorite kind of art? We want to read your stories.
Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. It means a lot to us. We love our Mr. Fluent family.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. Enjoy the sun, stay positive, and keep practicing your English.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video for more fun and easy English.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Wait, Anna, I forgot my umbrella in the cafe. I need to go back.
Oh, Tom, you always forget something. Go quickly. I will wait for you here at the door.
I have it now. Okay, I'm ready. Now we can go home. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.